Hi there. I want to share a little bit about Khan Academy with you. Khan Academy is a personalized learning resource for all ages. Khan Academy offers practice exercises, instructional videos, and personalized learning for each learner to study at their own pace in and out of the classroom. Khan Academy allows students to tackle math, science, computer programming, history, art, economics, and even more. They have math missions included in their lessons that guide learners from kindergarten all the way through calculus, using adaptive technology that identifies strengths and learning gaps. Specifically in the area of mathematics, you can search by subject or by grade. My suggestion is to have a look and see which topics you are most interested or needing to use. Many students use Khan Academy as a topic-by-topic tutorial. For example, if you were struggling with a specific topic in the early math category like counting or addition, subtraction, you could click on that topic and get started on some sort of a mission or a quest. Many students in math start to get nervous around the arithmetic portion of the math class when they're needing to work with positive and negative numbers as well as operations with fractions and sometimes decimals. I would suggest creating your own account and start here. You can log in if you have an account, or you can sign up if you don't have an account. The best news is that it is 100% free. On occasion, they will ask you for a donation, but you do not need to donate. It is 100% free. You can join using your Facebook account or your Google account. You would sign in as a learner and go ahead and create your free account. Once you've created an account, you have access to all of the subjects, and it will keep track of your progress as you work through your subjects. It will start with a learning assessment, and it will identify what you know and what you don't know. And once you have that assessment created, you can click on your math class, and it will take you to your next mission or the next practice, and you can work through your course that way. I'm using my son's account just to give you an idea of what it will look like. On the left-hand side is a little progress bar. On the right-hand side are the areas that you need to practice. And the other nice component is on the left-hand side, it will show you down here the colored in boxes are what you've already mastered. The gray boxes are what you still need to know. If you need to practice a certain skill, you hit practice. And then it will give you the problem. The nice thing about Khan Academy is it offers hints. It does also offer video tutorials as needed. So when you've signed up for your course, you can practice or you can see your mission, and that's the page that I just showed you. As you practice, your little data chart, your little pie chart will update as you move through various topics and various ideas in a sequential fashion. Khan Academy offers multiple language options as well as video tutorials, which many students find helpful. I would suggest creating an account and working through an entire course, whether that be early math or arithmetic, algebra, whatever area or level you feel that you, or pre-algebra, pardon me, whatever area that you feel confident in, I would suggest maybe stepping back to that level and starting from there. You want to create a foundation mathematical skills and build on that foundation before you enter your real college course. I would suggest starting this a couple months before you do your college class to build your mathematical skills. And not only that, you will build your overall confidence, and you will build your self-pride because of the building that you have been able to do. You will feel much more confident and capable when you have the foundation before starting your college math course.